નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Students, now to the continue the chapter number 5, our introductions. Start to the again the angles. So in these angles, acute angles, obtuse angles and reflex angles. So now we discuss about in these three types of the angles. So first of all, what is the acute angle? Acute angle is means less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree वाले जितने भी एंगल है वो सब acute angle है. Less than 90 degrees means 65, 75, 35, 45, 89, 78. So these all are is the acute angle. Clear? And then after the obtuse angle. So what is the obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is means greater than. It means more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree. More than 90 degrees means 120 obtuse angle, 130, 125, 145, 127, 138, 129. So these all are is the obtuse angle. Understands? And then after the reflex angle. Now what is the reflex angle? The reflex angle is means more than 180 degree. More than 180 degree. It means 273, 275, 198, 205, 285. So these all are is the reflex angle. Understands? Now the acute angle. So acute angles is means so we all are so less than 90 degrees. So this one is the 90 degrees angles. Okay? This one is the 90 degree angles. This means less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degrees means this portion is less than 90 degree. तो इस पोर्शन में आप जितने भी एंगल्स ड्रॉ करो, सो दिस ऑल एंगल्स आर acute angle. Suppose we are draw in this shape. So here is the end point. It means this one is the vertex. Vertex to draw a straight line. It means this one is the 90, but 90 to less. 90 to less. It means this angle is acute angle. This angle is acute angle. Understands? How to decide acute angle? Okay. Now to the next one is the obtuse angle. So dear students, we are writing here is greater than 90 degree, but it's a small difference. Greater than 90 degree is okay, but one is the condition: more than or greater than, both are more than 90 degree, but less than 180 degree. ऐसा एंगल जो more than 90 degree हो लेकिन less than 180 degree हो. इट मीन्स 90 और 180 के बीच में जितने भी सारे एंगल है वो सारे एंगल हो गए obtuse एंगल. अंडरस्टैंड्स? obtuse angles. Now the how to draw to obtuse angles. So here dear students, this one is our 90 degrees. Yes or no? Yes. But more than 90 degrees, so this one is 9. In this side, so it's called the less side. In this side, it's called the more than side. So here suppose this one is angle, so this one is obtuse angle. Suppose this one is the obtuse angle. Here, so this one is also for the obtuse angle. Here, so this one is also for the obtuse angle. This side, so this one is also for the obtuse angle. So 90 degree here, if you are drawing this sides इस तरह से, so 90 और 180 इन दोनों के बीच में जो सारे एंगल है, this one is called the obtuse angle. If you are draw in the same way, suppose then this angle measurement तो we don't know, इसका हम measurement प्रोटेक्टर से ही कर सकते हैं. But this angle is the which type of angle? Acute angle, obtuse angle or reflex angle. So this one is the vertex. So vertex to draw one straight line is called the 90 degree, and though this one is the straight line. So this one is 100. 90 or 180 beats with, right? So more than 90, less than 180, more than 90, less than 180. This means obtuse angle. So this one is the obtuse angle. Measurement वो हम लोग नहीं बता सकते, वो हमें प्रोटेक्टर से मेजरमेंट करना पड़ेगा. So understand acute angle and obtuse angles. Now to the next one is the reflex angle. So what is the reflex angle? 180, more than 180 degree angle. So this all are is the reflex angle. Understands? Now reflex angles is means suppose to draw in this way. Now this one is the reflex angle. Yes, this one is the reflex. If you are checking this sign, in the reflex angle is this one is sine. So this sine is called, this one is the obtuse angle. आपको एंगल्स में साइन देखना बहुत जरूरी है, इट्स कंपल्सरी. इस तरह से आपको एंगल्स में साइन दी गई. इज दिस साइन, इट मींस दिस वन इज द ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. बट इफ यू आर इफ एनी क्वेश्चंस इन दिस साइन, इन द रेड साइन, सो आप यहां से देखोगे तो दिस वन इज ऑल्सो ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. यू आर राइट, this one is obtuse angle. But if you are see in this way, in this angle, so it's called a reflex angle. Why? Because this angle is more than 180 degree. You are said to suppose draw in this line is the extent in this side. So this one is the straight line. Straight line is means 180, and this is starting here to here is the more than 180. So here to here is means this one is the reflex angle. So dear students, see your sign is compulsory. साइन को आपको देख के एंगल्स लिखना है, राइट? वरना आप लोग आंसर गलत हो जाएगा. So see this one is the obtuse angle, you are right, but see in this angle, so this angle is the reflex angle. Why? Because this one is the more than 180 degree. So understand students, what is the acute angle, obtuse angle and reflex angles. Now the next topic is the how to measure a given angle. एंगल्स को किस तरह से आप मेजर करेंगे, एंगल को मेजरमेंट करने के लिए प्रोटेक्टर का यूज होगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द एंगल्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट.
Okay students, now to the discuss about the how to measure given angle. So here given are some angles, right? This one is our first angle, this one is our second angle. Same for the given here is that these two angles. So this one is our third angle and this one is our fourth angle. Now in these four angles we are measure and write the angles. Okay, let's start. So first of all, this one is your protector, this one is your protector. Now in these lines appear in these lines, this one, and this one is the vertex, this one is the vertex to on in this point, right? To set your protector same in this way. Okay, clear? This line to appear, this lines and vertex to appear in this point. Now to check that this angles is here is, so here is the measure is 90, so write down in there is 90, so this angle's measurement is equal to 90 degree. Understood? Clear? Same for the second one. Same, this one is our vertex, this vertex to set is here, this vertex to set is here in this point. Okay, so set your protector in this way. So okay, now this one is our basis and set in this way. So here is, dear students, this points to, it means these lines. Same for the here is, so this one is protector is set, here is the straight line C, and this lines to measure is the protector is here. It means 120, this one is not our angles, this one is our angles. Okay, why? So in this angle is 60. Okay students, now this one is our angle, the straight to these lines, suppose here is, so this one is 90 degree, 90 degree to less, it means this one is acute angles, acute angle is means 90 to less. Okay, so here is not measurement 120, but this one is measurement is equal to 60. So first angle's measurement is equal to 90, second angle's measurement is equal to 60. Now understood first two. Same for our third angles. If you given here is our the third angles. Now in this angles, so this one is our vertex, so set it protector this point, protector in this point, set on this point to set on this point. So let's start. Here is, so these 2 points are on each other. Okay, set in this way. Now understand? So here is our base, straight line. See, check, here is our this straight line. Okay, now in this line, set in this line to check, so here is, right? So here given on again 2, 60 and 120. Now what is our measurement, 60 or 120? So dear students, our measurement is equal to 120 120. Our measurement is equal to 120. So this angle's measurement is equal to 120. Why? So this vertex to draw a straight line. Suppose this one is our straight line. Okay. So this one is 90 degree. 90 degree to more. 90 degree to more. This means 120 angles. Right? This one is 90 degree to more. So our angle is not a 60, but our angle is 120. Clear? So this one is obtuse angle, this one is acute angle. Understand? Now put our last angles. So this one is, so in these angles, this one is our vertex, and this vertex to set at that point. This vertex to set at that point. Okay? So set. Chalo. Clear? Here is the straight line, same. And this one is our vertex to set in that point. Now the check. And this lines. So here is this lines is 50 and 40 in between. See, 50 and 40 in between in this line. Okay? So 50 and 40 in between which angle? 50 and 40. 50 and 40 is between 45 degree angles. So this angle's measurement is equal to 45. So understand students how to measure a given angles. Okay?
Thank you for joining us.